Okay, my name is Rio. I'm the owner of Kim's Shredder Repair. I fix shoes and bags.
Birkenstocks are one of the most popular footwears in the industry. The longer you wear them, the more comfortable they become. That is why my client brought me her Birkenstock sandals for repair instead of throwing them out. These sandals have three main things to be repaired. First, outsoles are worn out. Second, suede insoles are very dirty and stained. Third, the edge of a cork footbed is dried and cracked.
So first thing I'm doing, try to dust away from the Birkenstock with a horsehair brush. And then use the knife, trying to remove the old, worn out outsoles. And use the grind machine to grind or sanding out the bottom of the bed to make them even. And then prepare the new Birkenstock outsole for the replacement. So I draw the line with the existing sole. It's EVA outsole. It's very soft and it's exactly the same as the Birkenstock sole. Then cut the new Birkenstock sole. Apply adhesive to the bottom of the footbed, and then also apply the adhesive to the new outsoles. Once it's dry, you can push together to stick and leave them for a couple of hours to dry. And then use a knife to cut out the edge of the outsole. And then use the machine to trim the outsole edges to make that, naturally smooth. So now what I'm doing here is to clean the insole. Use the suede gum to rough the dirt out. After that, you can use suede cleaner to clean out the dirt. While you're doing that, use dry rag to wipe off the dirt foam. And then lastly, what we do is to seal the cork, because the corks are, once the cork dry out, it get cracks. One of my customers, she went to the beach. I found the cracks on the front and back part. So to protect the cracking, well, we have to use cork renew. You can apply the sealer to all around the cork.